Hello YouTubers, welcome to my NetSec channel. In this video, I'm gonna present how to use Thycotic Secret Server Web Password Filler. So Web Password Filler is a plugin for your browser which can automatically fill in the username and the password when you need to log in a website. There's a lot of advantages as you can see from this website page. Let's start with installation. Just search Thycotic Web Password Filler. If you're using Google Chrome, then you will find out the extension in the Google Chrome Web Store. What you need to do is just add it to your Chrome. Add the extension. Enable it, and it shows on your extensions bar. After you installed it, you're gonna need your secret server URL. That will be your cloud login URL. There's two ways to log in. Use secret server to log in, or use username password. Domain, you can put your company domain there, as I'm using 51sec.com. You may want to put HTTPS there as well. Continue. Now you can see I logged in. The version is 3.0. That's the latest version. There are some settings you can change, such as session recording limit. You can maximum to do 8 hours for one session. Now let's start to use this Web Password Filler WPF to automatically log in your website. Let's use Gmail as an example. First, we need to create an account. We're gonna use 51sec example, and the username of 51sec.com. Password, we're gonna using simple one. I'm gonna using this password and do next. This is gonna ask in the phone number and then verify the credentials. Now it's asking the recovery email address, optional, and let's do next. But we do need your account information. Agree the privacy and terms. Now we logged in. We create a new account. Let's sign out. As you can see on the email or phone text box, there's a green icon, shows Thycotic here. You can click this green icon, but there's no secret found. What we can do, we can just add it in. We can do add secret. So in here, they're gonna ask you the web password, which template. So we're gonna automatically choose the web password template. We're gonna choose a photo, that's a personal photo, TSS admin 1. The site will be default site. So now we need to know the URL. The username will be, so we're gonna enter here, and the password. Since we already have password here, we just enter the password, else you can generate it and then auto fill in here. And add it in. So we do next. So the password already been automatically filled in. Next time, you don't have to type it again. So you're gonna using password from the Thycotic server. At the same time, while logging, we're gonna go back to our personal folder, TSAdmin1. You should be able to see one new record for your web password. So this is the URL, and then the username and the password. Password is the one we entered. You can change the password from a Thycotic server if you change it from a website. Now we're going to use a Thycotic 6 server to try logging again. Gonna log out. So you can see this email address automatically fill in. Sign me as account.google.com. They're using the secret found from your secret server. Automatically fill in the information. Next. Also for your password. Next. That's pretty much how we can use Web Password Filler to help you automate your login process. You also can manually add your new secret here. New secret. Then you choose Web Password template. You also can customize this template to meet your requirement. Thank you for watching.